Alright, so welcome back, guys. I decided to stop by my local Target and I was able to actually pick up some more shiny fates, actually. So we ended up getting another ETB on the screen right there. We got a Cramorant V10, Cramorant V10, and we also got a Bolton V10. A little hard with that glare. We're probably just gonna open up the ETB and then make the 210s another video. Alright, so let's start with Dragapult. So I'm probably just gonna keep cutting to we're only opening these packs. So let's go first pack. Give you guys the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lucky tap. Let's check out the back of it. The back actually looks pretty good. Not in bad shape. Let's go grass. Water. Ball guy. Team Towel. Rested Shield. Spin Arc. Snom. Horsey. Rowlet. Morpeko. Morpeko. Oh, Reverse Hollow. Gym Trainer, which actually I could use. Professor's Research. Not very good, but it's just first pack, so let's move on to the second. Code card. 4 from the back, and we're gonna get a Psychic. Steel. Eldegoss, Luxio, Ball Guy, Eevee, Weasel, Yanma, Trapinch, Nickit. Ooh, the restaurant, we definitely needed this. Definitely a good pull. Happily take that. And then finally, another Professor's Research, but I will happily take a restaurant. It's pretty nice. I was just centering on this. It's not bad. Doesn't look too bad. Scratches on it. How's the back look? Just a little bit of whitening in this bottom left. But otherwise, it looks pretty good. I'm very happy with that, actually. I think I need the Kyogre as well. That in the binder. Alright, and let's move on to, let's go Toxicity. Alright, Toxicity pack, let's see how you do me. I believe they're all white code cards in this set, so that's pretty good. Code card. Didn't do the trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Electricity. Electric. Psych. Now you give me Psychic. Dartrix. Ball Guy. Cramorant. Nickit. Horsey. Snom. Morpeko. Cacnea. Versatile Luxio, which I have like 20 of. Another Galarian Weezing. Already got 3 of those. Not a very hot pack. Pretty sure we're still guaranteed a V and a VMAX in this set, so hopefully we got some good things coming. We'll do a Charizard. Took way too long to open that pack. Hope that whitening's on the code card. It is, thank God, because that wasn't great. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire. Now what? Oh my god, I keep guessing the wrong ones at the wrong time. Rotom, Rusted Sword, Floatzel, I do have him. Coughing, and a Grassafleur, Cacnea, Judo, Eevee, Versatile Team Yotao, which I have, a Celebi. Wow. Either we're opening up all the bad packs in the beginning, or it's just not a good box, huh? One of the two. Let's see. Corviknight it is. Code card. How many packs in are we? This is our 5th pack. Come on, we gotta start getting some pulls. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's because we haven't given it a lucky tap. Multiple taps. Back looks decent on the card. Normal. Is normal even a type? Dark. Cramorant. That's the Shield. Team Yellowtail. Morpeko. Weasel. Nickit. Cacnea. Cufant. Oh, I see some pull. Ooh, a shiny Drizzle. I see something back there. I see something back there. It is. Ooh, El Creamy VMAX. That's definitely a good. That's a pack. There we go. 4 bad packs for that pack. I'm taking that. I'm definitely taking that. Just centering on this. It's not terrible. Looks so good on the camera. Got those nice little star in the background with the heart texture. It's the back look. Pretty good actually. Imagine if that was like a Charizard, that would have been a pack. Definitely keep that. Is that a rainbow rare, I think they're called? We can put these all up here. Mushroom. Oh, creamy. Put this Drizzle in too. Finally got a shiny, it took forever. Sunring looks pretty, I think it might be top heavy on this one. A little bit top and right side heavy. That's okay, it's from my collection. A little bit of a chip here, and a little bit of the top right. Definitely take it though. It's my first double good pull in a pack. Oh, that's our VMAX out the way. So I'm pretty sure the chance of that Charizard just went down drastically. Who was that? What pack did I just open? That was Corviknight. Corviknight's by far the luckiest one. Alright, we'll do Toxicity. Okay. Code card. I think we tapped the last one like a few times. That's what the luck was. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare Thumb War. Stole that from Randolph Pokémon. One of my favorite people to watch. Didn't guess the energy. Grass Energy, Rusted Shield, Floatzel, Thwackey. Is that my first Thwackey? Shinx. I think there's a pull back there. Might be the V card. Horsey, Yanma, Morpeko, Versatile Thwackey I have, and Ditto V. Actually, we don't have him yet. That's actually fine. I'm very happy with that. I did not have him yet. It's a very right side heavy centering. And I think bottom heavy too. Big boy swinging his you know what. Alright, so that's both our V's, so I guess we're just gonna get shinies for the rest of it. Push that in a little bit more. So far these are 4 really nice pulls. Still got 4 more packs, so let's hope. Make sure we don't spoil nothing. Best as we can. Code card. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4th card has some decent chip stuff on it. Chip damage at the top, so hopefully that's good for us. But it's not this one. How does this one look? Oof. Is this all whitening along this left edge? I can't tell. Dang. It's a lot of chip damage. If this is like a Charizard or something, I'm gonna lose my mind. Kinda hoping for nothing, but I'm kinda hoping for something. Give it the tabs, because the tabs are working. I didn't guess again. Keep forgetting. Electric, Energy, Rusted Sword, Shield, Eldegoss, Dartrix, Yanma, Trapinch, Shinx, Rowlet, Eevee. Ooh, there's a Kyogre. We got both of them in one box. Let's go. Let's go. And a Manaphy. I'm okay with that Manaphy because that was very badly chipped. There's the Kyogre. Let's go. We got them both. Needed the Kyogre as well. That works beautifully. Let's check the back of this one. Centering looks a little top heavy, I think. Maybe left side heavy. I'm very happy with that. I'll definitely take that. It's a good pull out of that. Wow, the shinies are not here, huh? Shiny vaults are not here. That's like all I ever get is the shinies. Throw that next to the restaurant. Five pulls still is not bad so far with 3 packs to go. Let's hopefully get some stuff in these last 3. So Charizard's up next. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare Thelmore. Give it a tap on the back. Fire. Oh, there we go. Finally. Rotom. Rusted Sword. Floatzel. Put that more in frame. Rowlet. Eevee. I love the artwork of this set. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a pretty big fan of it. Weasel. I just dropped a bunch of cards, didn't even realize. Nickets. If we have a shiny. A Luxray Hollow. Oh! A Luxray Hollow and a Dreadnought, so nothing. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you guys like the set, let me know. I can probably get some more packs for it. But if you guys want to leave your favorite in the comment, the favorite set. I know most people's is Hidden Fates, obviously, because it's such a good set. But honestly, I'm actually really enjoying this set so far. What's the sword? Grookey, Trapinch, Yanma, Coughing, Pico. Ooh, shiny Scorbunny. We have one in each of the starter sets. We have Scorbunny, we have Drizzle, we have 2 Thwackies, and Rillaboom. It's nice. Let's see what else we got. Anything? Frostmoth Rare. I think I already have one of those. I'll definitely take a Scorbunny though. What's the centering on this guy? It doesn't really look too much different, honestly, from its original. Like, Drizzle looks so much different. Corviknight packs just give out. I don't know if you guys have any luck with any of the specific packs themselves, but I definitely noticed that I definitely get better packs with the Corviknight. Alright, last pack. Charizard, please. Give us like a shiny or something. Help us out here. Do me good. Don't want any spoilers for the last pack. Alright. Wish me luck, guys. Come on. Code card for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with Dark Fighting. Okay, let's see. Floatzel. Make sure this focuses. There we go. Team Towel, Rotom, Weasel, Rowlet, Trapinch, Snom, Grookey. If we have a shiny, should be here, I think. Reverse Holocrammer, so no shinies. So we only got 2 shinies, wow. And rare Hollow Rillaboom. Eh. Honestly, overall, not too terrible. Got 6 pulls. Pretty happy with it. So just to go over what we got the Alcremie VMAX. Beautiful looking card. Got the Kyogre. Got the Reshiram. Shiny Drizzle. Shiny Scorbunny. And Big Boy Big Wing Ditto V. So yeah, that's gonna be doing it for this box. I obviously got the 2 more tins that I'm definitely gonna open up. I'm just gonna put on a different video just so it's not too long. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know how you guys like in the comments.